Hey guys, as you can see we are on to another video, and today's topic is going to be on priority tabs. So guys, I'll be showing you the tabs that you need most while selling on Amazon. So guys, as you log into a Seller Central account, you can see there are tons and tons of tabs here. As you can see, there are many tabs here, but you don't have to mess up with all these tabs, guys. So guys, the only tabs that sellers most use are, as you come here to your home, and as you can see here, you can see your notifications, any notification that Amazon sends you regarding your product or any listings or anything else. You can get notified here. This is important. And in catalog tab, only add product tab is important, guys. From this add product tab, you can add any new product to your portfolio. So add product tab is important, and you can leave these two tabs. This is not much important than this one. And as you come to inventory, so manage inventory tab is important, and manage FBA inventory tab is also important. Inventory planning, you don't have to mess up with all this inventory planning. Remote fulfillment, FBA, add a product is same as here. And so add product via upload, this is also not much required. So inventory report is also not required much. Sell globally, this is if you are a new seller, then you can choose this afterwards, but not for now. And manage FBA shipments, this tab is important, guys. As you can see a shipment that you the order that you send from China to your warehouse, you can check it from this manage FBA shipments tab. And this upload and manage videos is also not too important. So the important tabs are manage inventory, manage FBA inventory, and manage shipment tabs. And as you come here to pricing tab, these all tabs are not too important, guys. You can check it out, but these are not much required for Amazon FBA business. And in this orders tab, you can see this manage order tabs may be important if you want to see how many orders you have got and how many orders are still pending that Amazon fulfills. So you can check it from manage orders tab. And this order report are also not too important. Uploads in this, all these are not too important, but you can check manage orders tab. And as you come here to advertising tab, you can see campaign manager. This campaign manager tab is very important, guys. This is our PPC campaign, pay-per-click campaign tab. From here you can create your PPC campaign, this campaign manager tab. And you can leave this a content manager. In this early review program, you have to certain fees like 25 something dollar to get a review. This is Amazon. I will show you this early review program in details in my upcoming videos. And this is why this may be important. This may be important, and campaign manager may be important, and violins are also not too important. Deals are also not too important. Coupon may be important as per your requirement. You can create a coupon for your product. And private exclusivity, this is also not too important. And promotional are also not too important, but these are also an option. You can check this out. So campaign manager are important. Early review program is important. Deals, coupons may be important, and promotions may be important. So as we come here to stores tab, you can leave this button. This is not too important, guys. And as you come to programs, fulfillment point, this is also not too important. And as you come here to report tab, payments may be important. And you don't need these reports much. And you may be requiring advertising reports, guys, for your PPC campaign. And when creating your manual PPC campaign, you may be requiring your advertising reports. So this is important, guys. Payments is important, advertising reports is important. And you also don't require this return reports much. And as you come to this, you also don't need this much, and this you also don't need this one. So in reports tab, payments tab are important, and advertising reports are important. So as we come here to performance tab, so as you can see, account health is important tab. Guys, from here you can check your health of your account, status of your account health, and you can analyze and see what should be done to make your account health better, guys. In this feedback, this is also not recommended. And here in A to Z guarantee claims, this is also not to required. Chargeback, this performance, voice of this, all these things are not too much required, but you have to keep an eye on account health, guys. And this determines your all the selling performance of your listings, guys, and your the reviews and like the feedback that you get. And these apps and services are also not too required. So as you can see, in a catalog tab, add products is required, and inventory tab, manage inventory, manage FBA inventory, manage FBA events are required. In pricing tab, this is also not required, but you can look after pricing health. And in orders tab, you can check out manage orders and and you can also keep an eye on order reports. In advertising, you have to keep an eye on campaign manager, and you can check out all review program, and you can check out coupons and promotions also. And in stores, this is all not required. Programs also not required. In reports, you have to check payments, and you have to check advertising reports. You can check return reports. All other things are not too much required. In performance, you have to check account health. You can check feedback. And this is also not required. So all are not required. And you can leave this apps and service button. From here you can choose your marketplace, and this is not too much required. You once you set it to English, it's you won't be changing it ever and ever again, the language tab. And in messages tab, you will get messages. This is an important tab. You will get messages here, and this help tab, you will be able to get support from your seller central, guys. So as you come to setting, in the setting, account info tab is important. Global accounts is not required. Notification preferences, login settings is not required. Return settings, login settings are you may check out login settings. You can check return settings. You can check shipping settings. You can check tax settings. You may not require user permission much. You can check user permission history is also not required. You can check your infos and policies, and you can check fulfillment by Amazon. And this seller fulfill export is also not required. So guys, hope you got example which are the priority tabs, and which tabs you will be requiring to frequently use while selling on Amazon, guys. You don't have to mess up with all these tabs, guys, as there are tons and tons of tabs, as you can see, and this may be a headache to understand all of them. So I hope you guys understand which tabs are most important from this video, guys. So I'll be covering your next topic in my next video.